And to start with, we want to lay it out so the wings are in the front, these wings on the side. And then I like to lay out my items. Now you want to note that on this, there's an extra little bump on this one side. That's where the nose goes. So it doesn't really matter which way you put it, but the nose is going in that spot. So just so you're aware. And the snowman has a lot of layers. It's got a hat. Hat band needs to align with the hat. Can be a little tricky sometimes. And we have a scarf and his nose. So that's how it's going to lay out. So we're going to start by putting this little white base on. We'll do the other pieces later. I'm going to use this glue pen to assemble it. These glue pens are a lifesaver for me, although I feel like I'm putting a little bit too much glue in here today. So we'll just have to wipe it away. You don't need quite that much glue. I don't know what got into me. I guess I got excited. Now I've got glue on my fingers too. So nice thing is the glue dries clear. There's glue all over my fingers. Let's just wipe that off. I'm trying not to squeeze it all out and just let it be. Sometimes smearing the glue, while you're trying to move this around, it could do more harm than good. So, okay. It's good enough. All right, let's assemble the snowman. I think we can do a lot of the snowman without putting it on. We can do the snowman's body for sure. Again, we have some wet glue. And try to align it in the middle. Sometimes it's hard to see. More wet glue. You can use whatever kind of glue you like. I mean, you could even use tape on that, those big pieces. Try to align it in the middle. Got a little glue lump in there, so just going to smooth it down a little bit. All right. Let's put his scarf on. I like to put it like that. So I'm going to just put it on there. Fold it down. Okay. Let's put his nose on. nose is probably the trickiest piece because it's so small. Just a little bit of glue. And stick his nose so that it fits right in here. And then the hat needs the hat band. It's gotta go like that. So those beveled edges fit like that. So flip it over and put the glue on it. Stick it in there. Got a little bit of extra. I need to get a cloth. I watched a video the other day where somebody was talking about using a microfiber cloth to blot the glue. I think it was May. I follow May made it. And I think she was giving tips and suggested using a microfiber cloth to blot up this glue. So I might try that. I have some somewhere. I'll find one and do it. So there you go. So the front is done. And now we need to adhere these flaps to close the pocket. This pocket's great for gift cards or business cards or, you know, a little note. You can put all sorts of things in there. So we turn it over, and I'm actually using a tape runner. This is a refillable tape runner from Spellbinders. I really like it. It's my new favorite thing. And you want to make sure that that tape is not in the way. And then you just fold it at the score lines. And there you have it. You have your little pocket right here. And you have your snowman gift card tag.